for this video, we're going to take a look at the Colab application, which is a hosted application offered by Google Research. Colab is an environment that allows you to work with Python very easily, and I found it to be pretty effective for teaching Python to new programmers. So it allows you to very simply, very easily use Python in your browser. There is no setup, so you don't have to worry about creating a Python environment. You don't have to worry about setting up a virtual machine. You don't have to do anything to configure it. It just sort of works right out of the box. It has interactive execution. You can build execution step by step, really, by putting things into individual cells. You can document and provide instruction right in line. It has code cells and markdown cells, and it sort of works really well for just kind of building independent instructional artifacts that allow people to learn Python. So the environment itself, it's going to be inside of your browser, and you can see you're going to have a name for it. You can add new code blocks, you can add new text blocks, and you need to connect it to some kind of runtime. You know, that's basically the back end, the system that's going to execute your Python code or Python commands. And once we add some of these code blocks, you hit this play button. You can use that to run the code that's there. And then anytime you just enter a variable, it's going to show you the value for that particular variable. So you hit the play button, it runs in the back end, and then you actually see that result. So whenever a block is run, you can kind of see what happens here. We're going to, this is a very quick and brief overview. We're going to take a look at this in our next couple of videos. We're going to get into learning Python and some of the basics and just sort of take you step by step through the Python language.